You didn't really get too birdie going this way. Jeez, bud. Take it, hey, take it easy. Oh boy. Huh. Well, that's all marsh. Isn't it? Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Whew. Good boy. Here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Good. Good boy. Drop. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Pen bird. Hey, stop. The bugger's running. Just keep up with them. Cool. Good boy. All right, one more, bud. That was for a pen bird. Little sucker got me running. And I still love it. So let's see if we can get one more. Where you at, buddy? When I actually got in the parking lot and got out, there was a guy coming back. And he was just walking the trails without a dog. Just looking for birds. And he had said he didn't see any. And it's a pretty good tactic, really, because they will obviously roost in the grass, but a lot of times they just run these open trails. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, you scared me. Thought you're on one. You want a shot here, buddy? Tail's going. It's right here somewhere. I don't know if there's just so much scent in here, or he just sucks. Could be that. I am wondering if maybe he ran over it. Like that one held pretty tight. That first one, he ran past it, doubled back. When the hell did I even park? I don't know. Find him. I got a whole nother field here. Jeez. That's where I came in. That's a pretty cool chunk of ground. You shot? I closed it. Thank God it's not wet. Where they at, buddy? Whew. I wish that was ag. That stuff that was out front when we walked in, that was short. Looks. Oh. Really? It's just running. I don't know. I'm just making excuses. My dog just sucks, but the way he was acting there, I thought for sure he was gonna put one up. Son of a gun. That was like, let's go back here, buddy. Let's see if we can find that one. They're running and doubling back so much. That bird is, there's a bird right in here somewhere. For how he was acting on that point. Now whether he doubled back. A little more. Double back, or I don't think he went on this trail because he didn't really get. All right there. He didn't really get too birdie going this way. Jeez, bud. Take it. Hey, take it easy. So yeah, I think he's down at bottom, or maybe he cut across before. You good? But either way, I think we're gonna go back this way and then maybe take it. This grass looks pretty good. All right, come on. See if he hits the brakes again. Maybe not. I don't know. That was weird though. Oop, it turned back. There we go. What is it here? Yeah, there he's running on. For sure. Yep. Another one? Ooh. Nope. Nope, he's got it. Good dog. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Good boy. All right, good. Well, there we go. We got our second bird. Suckers are running. Cane's pretty cool. You know, I mean, every bird dog's got its little quirk or its thing, but especially in that shorter grass like that, once he starts kind of hopping or holding his head high looking, it's just pretty much a telltale for me that it's very close. That's kind of what he was doing in that last one, but he took them for a little ways. I mean, hell, it was up here. Must have ran down. Ugly looking pen birds, no tails. This way, buddy, we're done. I still don't care. So, yeah, he was running that one for a while. I think all those birds were kind of doing the same thing and they just outsmarted him. That happens, even with pen birds. Realistically, with it being a Saturday, I'm not saying that they're, you know, it's not like it's that big of a difference, but those have been out here for at least probably a couple days. I mean, if at best they were released yesterday, I doubt it. See, these birds aren't put out here and they don't just go tits up and die. You know, they I think I can go this way. They're trying to survive. So once they get put out here, they get smart pretty quick. You'll know, I mean, the day that they release, and I've had it, you get out after work and there's, you know, 2 or 3 roosters just standing on the trail looking at you while you park your truck. The fresh pen birds are pretty stupid. But once they get out here for a night or two and then beyond, they get pretty wise. It doesn't take them long. I never even walked any of this front field. Cool spot though. It's first time being here. It's huge. Definitely be back. It's pretty. Nice grass. Nice for running after a lab. Come on, kid. Guys, let me know what you think. There'll be more coming. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone that follows the page. I guess until next time. All right, you cock flushers. See you later.